Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your dream home awaits in Huddersfield. Nestled in the tranquil and the secure neighborhood of Huddersfield, St. Mary. Discover this fine four-bedroom, two-bathroom retreat that offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and charm. Spanning an impressive 3,100 square feet. This great property is set on over quarter acre of landscaped grounds, providing an idyllic oasis for you and your family. Step inside to find a spacious living room, a generously sized kitchen, and a welcoming dining room, all designed with an open floor for effortless living and entertaining. The master bedroom boasts an ensuite bathroom featuring a jetted bathtub, which is your private sanctuary for relaxation. Conveniently located just 15 minutes from Ocho Rios and 10 minutes from the Ian Fleming Airport. You will have easy access to world renowned attractions like Dunn's River Falls and pristine beaches. Plus, the property's proximity to schools make it an ideal choice for growing families. Whether you're seeking a family home, a vacation retreat, or a lucrative investment property, this gem is perfectly suited to meet your needs. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of paradise. Call today to schedule your private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 416,000 or Jamaican $65.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.